dokie. Let's see. We got 2 lights. But our other light is not what it will start. So we may not have it correctly in the spot. So we're gonna have to do something about that. Take this screw out. The other one out. We get the shield off. Put this in play for now. We're going to move this so we get it out of the way. Light starter seems to be not working correctly or something, which of course it is. It's kind of stuck in there. Yeah. Alright, let's put the other new starter. Since that starter most likely might be dead. Who knows? Okay, let's see. Our lights are contacted to the door. Unfortunately, they're just not lighting. At least the door ain't anyway. That probably doesn't help. Our light came loose. Our wire came loose. Okay. That's what happened. When we got connected to the butt connector, it sure they had connected. But the other one seemed to not work. Ah! Let's try it again. Alright, let's try this again. Shall we? There we go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's turn this light off, shall we? So we can see this thing. Alright. Let's remove the camera from my tripod and deal with my limited mobility. Look at that. Lit up and everything. It's been a success so far. We got the nice baby all nice and lit. You can see the beautiful colors on below, even though it's kind of dirty, but you can see the lovely colors. Absolutely beautiful. So there's only one thing less. There's only one last thing I gotta do. Well, besides grease her up, and that's to get the last part of the cam fixed. Which, yeah, the guide gripper, so that way we can get it working again. Because as of right now, it is unfunctional, so we cannot use it. So whenever I get that fixed, I'll keep you posted. It might take me a long time, but I'll do it eventually. See ya. Oh, okay. Got a little messy video, bouncy here. This is April 13th of 2014, and it's finally starting to get warm, so we're going to finally get back to this Rock-ola that I've been making repair videos for. Right now it's kind of dark in there, isn't it? Trying to figure out how I can get a better view of this light without burning myself. Right now what we're going to attempt to do, we're going to attempt to put some grease on that cam right there. I just need to put this light somewhere so that way it doesn't burn me or anything else in here, which we don't want that. So, but yeah, we're gonna get some grease and put it right onto this thing here. So, right now this thing's got a bunch of spiders that are trying to make a home in this thing again. But what I'm going to be using to grease this thing up with is Red in Tacky No. 2 grease from Lucas here. I tried to get some mobile, but this would work. So it's red bearing grease. It's really light stuff because you don't want anything too thick. So, and like I said, I'm going to try to get some on that cam right there, and that's what I'm going to attempt to do. Right, let's see if I can get this thing on a tripod. Alright, I gotta set it on a tripod here. So, let's see if I can get this. I don't know how much my head's gonna be in the way of the camera, so bear with me here. Alright, so what I'm going to do is just grab a little bit with my finger here. Try to get some. This is not going to be easy, since I got it on here anyway. Okay, so right now what I'm trying to do, I'm just trying to get the grease into the track. There's a couple of spots where I can get to it. It might be easier to get it from the top here. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty easy right here. Okay, so would also put a little bit of grease on the teeth. That might be a good idea. Remove the hat here. Let's see. try to extend the legs here. Extend my legs so that way I can actually raise the camera so that way anyone can actually see what I'm doing and not just look at the bottom here. That's all the way down, that's all the way down. Okay, let's go like this. Let's see what we can do here. There we go, that's a little better. So it just puts this lovely grease on this little bugger. Now for what the grease is going to do, it's going to help protect everything for when it goes to move, for what I'm assuming anyway, so that way it doesn't wear it out as fast. That's basically why they use grease in the first place, to help get things to last longer. And for this grease here, it's very light, so it does not cause too much friction. So, right now it's trying to get some of it in the inside track. Okay, get some more of that grease in here. Make sure I get enough for both tracks. So, got that piece of tape that's right there. Bugging me. I kind of left the records in here just so I can use it for other purposes, but I'll probably have to move them. So I'm going to get grease all over them. What I'll do, I'll just set these to the side here with my gripper on. I do got the gripper fixed, but I'll show you exactly what we did, what the guys did to it for me. I had some people at a company that I work for now. That's kind of like one main reason why I stopped some of my videos. So for anyone who was wondering why I stopped making some videos, is because I've been having a lot of job problems. So, and for this market nowadays, it's very common now. It's pretty common because there's a lot of crap that's going on. So, and we all probably experienced job problems. So, and it's not a good sign. Hey, Margarita. This stuff on here so that way I don't get it on. There we go. Alright. Alrighty. So that's pretty good. Good. Alright, so since I got this part all greased up now, I'm going to put these, throw them back in here. Don't really care about particular orders at all.